That was intentional.
This was
Speak pidgin.
speak pidgin.
Oh.
Not speak pidgin English. Yeah.
You know that you get some kind of strong pidgin when you drop when you verse. Speak and
I will. Okay. No,
okay, that kind of.
Okay.
Alright, we get the crew, the entire Big Brother 5. Now Super 5 they call them, I mean.
Top five.
Yeah, Super 5. Yeah, Super 5. If Busola, that Busola, Bisola. Sorry, those are Bisola on Instagram superstar before you go Big Brother. Bisola, if you get friend Marvin, T-Boss, and our old school for here, they'll be right. Yes, they'll be right. They house this morning. How that body?
We do our body.
Don't say talk. When I hear my go, when I know here, carry my go here.
We do alright. As I just see your face like this, Uncle Godwin.
He don't say he don't want you to always talk. He just smart when chairman they bring everybody going. I always tell and say, I don't know. I know that the camera position is bad for inside the house or the makeup people bad because not always fine. They find that for physical inside. Why now to make it look like say
television they always make person they fight.
No,
everybody tells I be like read mama for television.
even you are they shocked as they look you now because you don't find like this for TV for that house. No, seriously.
But you see better.
None of una wey dey here find like this for that
You see
TV.
better because
Now the house.
will die.
Even Tint Anthony.
God will leave guests. Now see boy they talk to you for
If you know, if you know, even if all of una seriously the one that appear today, forget say maybe I don't do makeup, I don't dey relax, now no pressure again and all that. But even all the others with them because normally anybody will come over the house, then they go first bring them come before we come send them. But later now, of course, they go other stations now. So the one they see that the same time they tell them now say why people they look different for inside the house than on ground. But it good say we should
for inside the house they give them targets.
Target, so
So
the pressure they
when you
make
get targets.
For me, better so that when you come out, your market will sell more. Because if you find for TV, you can't work for real. Like, you know, now.
And well, time not today because I also now send another of our station with the last time. I will just throw one question, give all of una. T-Boss.
Hello.
Now, I don't think anybody will then talk about for social media in the last few months or weeks past you. So, if you go fit do one thing different than what you do for the house, what that one thing will be, and then you get anything when you regret for the house as you don't come out so.
Absolutely nothing.
No regrets.
No regrets.
Okay, so which thing you go say maybe I have to tweak this one some more. I have to do this one a bit differently. If you get anything like that.
The only one where I fit talk now the fight where I get with Bisola.
Okay.
Apart from that, I'm not gonna change anything.
After so they shout one.
That would have fight. Would also the noise that shoot film. Where you gonna go meet her for outside? Now you go meet her for outside now, be.
I carry drink to her.
She wants to why you want poison and collect the money.
Yeah, Jesus, no.
I know the Bisola the actress. And you go give her the drink. Say, Bisola can't she say?
No.
Is there alcohol inside? You say, I don't want because I've been drinking too much. This girl, that's what that's for you.
Wait, but see, when they gossip on the matter every morning. Everything are you. If I'm not forget the truth. Okay, but Marv is now. But now one we're going to tackle all of that. Okay, one more question for you, T-Boss.
Okay.
You know, one of the most talked about thing and the fact that you said in 1 week, we used 25 million pure your base and all those people talk about, and I know say personally, it is easy for people to misunderstand what the person talk. So you still get plenty people see they beef you. What see they vex. I beg, she said she go spend 25 million in 1 week. She said she get boyfriend with the toaster, we get you don't get opportunity to now talk to at least a large number of people. You know what they listen to radio now. I want make you put people mind at rest. Clear people get misunderstand you see exactly what you mean and when they understand who T-Boss be and what he means so that those they get wrong impression go correct and now.
Like I said, I went there first of all for the money, of course, you know. But when I entered the house, I didn't intend to make any friends. But when I entered the house, I'm forced to live with these people.
You obviously those are this big pigeon. No, just continue.
The pigeon would enter small, right? Okay. So I was forced to live with these people under really extreme conditions, you know, and I had to adapt. I have a lot of debts, a lot of bese, as you call them, you know. That money fee finished in 1 week. By the time I pay this and pay that, I get plenty godchildren to take care of. Sorry, I want to help my mother, help my father. I didn't really talk much about my dad, but I want to do something for him as well.
So that type of house, you talk in terms of say the responsibility
It
wey you
plenty.
get 25 million no fit solve am because even me now
As in
50
25 million
no
go
fit solve my
finish.
problem why I dey like this 50
With
million
tax
because
and everything, 25 million go finish.
because
in
where
a
I
week.
wan build my house 50 million na only land dey buy there with 50 million.
You see,
So-
you see, not the same
God
thing
dey
now.
go good for where you
Oh yeah, how's baby who you wan talk to?
Na Bisola I wan talk to.
Yay!
Bisola, you know say normally na. So I watch one video when una shoot am for South Africa wey wear black. About your housemate, Tito Tony.
Okay, yeah, na South Africa.
So when you find out, now for South Africa you find when
Oh,
you
na that final day.
Is it Omo?
Oh, but na that final day, that day, then they show us clips where the housemates been sent
Okay.
to us, we still remain. 5 of us still been in the house that time. So I said, they watch the video with the people, I say our people say they're fresh, yeah, why they don't come South Africa? Now I just see the hand, see just fly. I say,
Oh, you see am by yourself?
I see am by myself,
Yeah.
but now I tell
But you
them,
know say this girl give small feel.
but the person would not, she, na even
She was
essay.
giving small feel like.
And she talk am, but now based on wetin she been here.
Okay.
Essay bin come meet me say she get dream. I dey look say all these dreams. See, mama, I no come here to
Essay
marry.
get-
Essay tell me say she get dream, say he marry, get pikin. I say, mama, wetin you come dey tell me for? Say because outside here I go wan marry am. No be so. Me I just dey enjoy this house where I enter so. So na that day, that final day, na I see the ring for her hand. I say, oh, body's like the.
I see am first though, but I no talk.
Oh, you know be talk.
I see the ring, but I no
T-Boss,
wan say anything.
na me then they ask this question, not be you.
Oh,
na me.
But you see the ring?
T-Boss they
see the
always
ring.
see
I see
anything
the
when they
ring.
happen to
And I
person.
feel
T-Boss
am.
own they always pass another one. Now she first see the
Oh
ring.
my
Now me they
God.
ask.
Oh
no be
my
you.
God.
Calm down. Pump,
You-
just pump.
Pump.
Hush baby, as they ask they go.
that day.
So now that day I been find out.
Okay, that day that you find
Now
out.
that day go.
And
And
you feel betrayed.
and when they ask me, say, but this guy na my guy now. Family na something you go dey pride for. Even if you don't be want to make all your other people know.
Because he tell you one of the other best shit,
unto
normal level now.
unto say we on a kuko.
Okay, but seriously, you been before you know and before they evict Tony, you been think about say maybe one on a couple days something fit happen later.
No. I not been think am. I not been think am because me I go see that big brother now once na 9 years I audition. 9 years now I audition before I enter that house.
For this big
For
brother,
big
you
brother.
don't go different.
I don't go different kind before I enter this house. So as I dey enter, I look, I say, you know
If you,
wetin?
you be problem.
This once in
If
a
I don't
lifetime
let am collect
opportunity.
this douche
May you
now.
use them, enjoy yourself.
Yeah.
You no go come again. So that's what that. And Tony dey very creative. That guy dey very brilliant. Many things where I learn from him.
No, I know.
Yeah, so that now I no be say I no get plans say
Okay.
outside of. Now also we did now.
I understand. Because I don't tell you. Also, you Mavis, aka if you get.
If you get.
Now you and this if you come. I don't say 12 now. I don't first know say those lips wey dey talk say Busola na chop plate pass na rumor. You are if
And allow to be na Bisola.
no wait na Busola own na when don drink wait. This Mavis are if you own they do am with clear mind. They do am. What you see there? Mavis, talk true. You are this boy. Na play na dey play am.
Yeah, we dey play, we dey like
That
play.
time na play.
Wait.
Up to now na still play.
Up to that I still play.
We like play, we still dey play.
Okay.
Una still dey play the game dey go.
We play seriously.
Una play seriously.
Okay, the play don dey serious.
Godwin,
No, we play
Godwin.
seriously.
All
We
these
play
girls are wicked.
It's a double attack.
When you ask all these girls, they wanna really play. T-Boss, you know the way me also call you that they nearly get heart attack. Oh, tell her what T-Boss talk. Then wait till this. Oh, so my fence. When you even gives the teller for years, they don't know him. But my main point is if this girl play, this girl play. But you cannot be playing now. When they ask you the question,
Even now.
when they ask you the question, you just say, well, I know now again, but you be like, we really like this girl. Come on, not because they don't win money, not because they like people.
No.
Oh yeah, if you just tell us.
Not true.
Tell us.
She said I play, but I don't know the kind of play which she.
Ah,
for your
my
mouth.
dear.
Okay,
Now you're supposed to say love now.
No.
Okay, she said that.
T-Boss na correct person. Honestly, she did very
Until
caring.
you find trouble for national
Tell us. Okay.
So actually, she be very correct person. She did caring. She get her moments where we say she dey take things over the top. You know, say she dey react and all those kind of things. But on a personal level, she be correct person. She get beautiful heart. She dey shave people armpits. You know, she dey do all those things.
Tipo, the person chef again. It's Tipo, you see that say we don't hear other things about you wey people don't really know. I mean, some people go dey think of that girl fishy person happy. Really? So she be like that. She nice like that, you know. Tell us more.
I actually did enjoy shaving someone's armpits. Not shaving, yes, shaving someone's armpits.
She dey brush people.
And they press
As in
their
she
face.
dey-
I press all their faces for the house.
Oh, they come out pimples.
Come out
Yeah.
pimples except you. I don't come out
T-Boss.
your, yeah,
Yeah,
yes.
they my
yes.
armpit.
No worry, next time I come, I'll bring my kids.
You know they need
If you
kids.
get any
I get
pimples
kids.
for
I
you-
get kids.
No wahala. If you get any pimples, just let me know.
You
I'll
don't
help
get
you clean
kids.
your face.
Efe,
Yes, bros.
before, once what we notice for the all of una, anytime they put anybody, you no get nomination one day till you come out.
No, I be
One-
get
once
once.
or
One,
I be get once.
if you get okay. We notice anytime they put people up for eviction, if they did there, if they get over 50% of the vote, I call the one that say you plan with your generation or the whole worry say
You're just
as
boys.
you they go, make
And
they
go
vote
out.
because the votes they even they shock us say this guy go get 50 something, others are gonna get 13.
Guys, man, don't lie for other.
I just like my ear is stand, so I just want people to see how we say at the end.
Wow.
Yeah, so,
Wow.
that's it.
Now, so what do you mean the next thing now for you, my friend?
Well, the next thing, plenty next thing. So first, na the brand. I sort of come down already. The www. I sort of come and the shirts did the caps did the subsequently other things
Okay.
did. I do open for bookings. My management team, my bizarre global concept. My website, www.marvisinconway.com. I'm gonna book me for everything for bookings. For we don't book me.
If
Carry
you
CC
don't go
leaves.
school, book her.
Carry CC leaves. Carry CC
No,
leaves.
but we are not get problem because
Okay,
the previous guys they book their way now.
Ah, no.
You understand?
This one
Like
different.
T-Boss else don't cook.
We come in
You
five.
understand?
Yeah.
Then they come one. So
You got one. Okay, T-Boss.
T-Boss.
Yes.
What will be the next step now? And then you still the single.
Yes, I'm
So
still.
I mean, someone like
sort of.
if I say I
single.
never married now, someone like me they interested, potential guys will feel come and push.
God, if you still marry, not
You can try. You can
What
try.
I'm
You
doing,
can try.
No, now hear that
Try.
T-Boss are available.
I
So
am.
anybody. So what is the next step now?
You also like next.
Movies, definitely. I think I'm gonna try my hand at movies
No, you
and
should.
modeling. I'm gonna do a little bit of
Yeah,
modeling.
okay.
Not really interested in the runway part, but you know,
Okay.
adverts and
Yeah.
billboards and endorsements.
No,
I
you-
am
you-
open
you'll be
for
fine, yeah.
all of them. I just want to use this opportunity to reinvent myself. You know,
Yeah.
I entered as Tokumbo. I came out as T-Boss. So yeah, we're gonna
Okay.
work on the T-Boss brand.
Okay.
You don't already get T-Boss
Debbie.
Nation, Boss Nation. Yeah.
Boss Nation.
Debbie, two questions I will ask you. First of all, before you tell us what's next, how many reality shows don't you now?
Yeah.
No, na the second
No, the
one.
second one, please. Yeah,
Second one.
Say my time we walk to another one. If we switch off that there, we'll discover
All
that.
of these.
When I
Next
get
time
back
I
to
go
you,
get any reality
Nigerians
show
plenty.
now
Yeah. So what will be
and
the next thing now? What will be the next level now? I know say you
Okay.
did music since, but what
Yes.
do you want to add to that?
As in my aim, by the grace of God Almighty, I won't collect Grammy Award. So everything I guys do to get me to that level, rehearsal, music videos, performances, everything I guys do to get me to that level. That is my dream. And then professionally, what I study for school now, computer science. So I'm
Okay.
based on graphics and design and branding. So I'm going to do graphics, design,
Design and all those
advertisements.
things.
You
So
understand?
it's a big graphics
Okay.
designer.
Well, yes.
This guy's are able to do things.
Yeah, correct. You know, say the last person wait for Nigeria will say one win Grammy, he losing voice.
He losing
That's
voice,
nice.
nice.
So you need to careful also.
Wow.
Go over, no serious. Because if you say you won't win Grammy, you go over impress them. Just you fit do am now. Koni get. Yeah, just add more
no,
things.
no,
Okay, Efe, before all of Nakumo, you said you go tell us what will be the next level. Before that one, how much you give me and not give me?
No, I don't need that one because
I bet me I need
that
that.
money normally now reach me for 1 hour. They tell you.
Oh, nice one.
Based on every possible logistics, now music. Now my first love, yeah. I did do music before I entered the house. The reason why I go to the house now to get the platform where people they feel because I haven't released my EP before I entered the house.
If even bring the EP con
Yes, so Lagos EP.
I don't know.
I know loud. I think say before I come out, oh, but one song go on the cash raise, but you not cash, so I go they move on.
No,
But I don't really
worry.
know,
We go.
Yeah.
God,
Yes, this na on our official
We'll sample am for your
Yes,
walk
so,
away.
yes, so, yes,
Just see
so.
how whether I go.
But fresh jam they come out and a surprise package. I know one year based on every possible logistics. By the way, everything where I go they drop, it go they produced by my producer, Dr. Set. Yes.
Oh,
Now the name I
okay.
they use volume now for the house.
Oh yeah.
So,
So
na the next
and
level.
Olamide don talk say you know guy be that he's supposed to do 1 or 2 things.
Now be the logistics. Now the answer say don't worry. I don't want to talk too much. Leave my
Okay.
talk. So as the host, but all that is free involved. But me self open. I can't realize I feel model. If I say I don't know that one, I feel model. I feel. Bisola say I feel act.
You feel hard to
Now
do that
so
now.
I feel dance so. Anything I feel do, but the major na music. Any other thing with the
No, you get one to our listeners, everybody get that talent. Everybody an actor. I don't care whether you're professional or not. Because
Yes.
if you want to collect school fees, if they really have to still go tell your pa, it can only be one person. Maybe if it's small, you want to collect extra meat, you want to collect. You can just find out say you could just put up the right behavior for that particular time to get in your uncle way one go visit. How you don't calculate the lie. All on acting now. And so forget the camera they not tell you oh yeah action and all those stuff. So we wish you all the best as I come today. So anytime don't let go really ask them more questions. But when I look fine now on ground like we talk, that's what
people just hear the platform.
Yes, yes.
Shout out to Big Brother NAIJA. Big Brother team, all of them, Papers.
Coca-Cola.
Legendary.
Yes, heritage man. By the way,
Indomie, African Magic, Mnet, multi-choice.
You don't finish. Our winners party now tomorrow.
Oh, this tomorrow.
For rumors. Let's you know the play. Yes. So by 10 p.m. when I turn up, we'll go
well, then I all rock T-Boss. T-Boss, don't worry. Wait till me and my men they bring on there. They go believe.
My dancing skills have improved tremendously.
Wait, people, before you go. For your life, not dancing.
Oh my God.
Tomorrow, tomorrow when they call that place, just don't worry, stand the way you stand.
I just stand there with my drink in my hand.
Because you're standing and you dance.
With my drink in my hand.
Yes,
with a drink that like this.
Thank you.
Like you and look past on Saturday.
For me,
Without your blue dress you wear. I say you just start. Mark say, but this girl dance now.
Move small now.
You dance past they be right. You dance.
No, Busola come.
Bisola.
No, put another verse. Call you Bisola. What did they drink? Bisola do groove. You gonna for money today. I know that party go till the next day. Bisola go continue like that.
And I thank her for that. If not,
now you go save you. You don't stop that party. Now you Bisola for pin for corner.
I want to ask one question for the phone and come on. If as we come on now, so we come on with them, of course. So we'll leave the studio for Moyo and if I don't know that you get any question, you won't ask any of them. If you call near microphone now, if you can confuse me, I just want to sick. Before I ask the question, I want to ask all of them one general question. I noticed say when they evict somebody, some of them they cry. Why? Not be one down. It's about they're happy, say somebody don't go, you still there.
No, for me,
they are to the money, but when they cry, why?
Yeah, they cry because I want to say we don't live with these people.
We don't connect
these people on our
to
Twitter,
them.
Instagram, Facebook. We don't connect to them.
So,
we don't cause ourselves. So like, you
yeah.
don't get like, even for your house, if your house you get neighbor, one of the quarrel, and the person they pack come out, you still look at you don't. So somehow.
Okay, now I make another. Okay, why did they cry? I mean, this person don't go now -1 now.
I just say man lapo with the talk.
Okay.
Thank you, Mavis. Thank you for that.
If you be fool,
From the one.
Yeah, but if you want if you get any question, you want to ask them before they come out. So.
Boy, now just one question. I think my name saving one truly. When you give my mama shop,
yes,
that's why me they ask.
If they talk,
as I say my namesake, from when I start this Big Brother arrangement,
yes, sir.
till Sunday, not Sunday,
yes, sir.
take and say 73-year-old my Mille.
Hey!
Is your day glued to television?
78 days.
Okay,
that is, Mille can't go bath. Oh, but I been give you the Yanis now.
Yeah, you tell me.
If you know they grip bath for. The only person was your carry for it. Not be saying know you before, you carry your matter for it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sunday when you win, if you see the way my Mille come, they dance around the house as if to say now.
Hey, okay,
I'm not just on that.
Mommy will go be room.
Not be that way, go be give mama small thing for you. You understand? Go be no rich. Give mama small thing.
Well, full life.
All right.
But seriously, I mean they congratulate every. I try. Both people ain't win the and people will be saying don't win now. They can see every. You not represent.
They don't blow because this. Since when they do Big Brother, I need to note this. This is not I think the most viewed and the most campaigned.
Yes.
You are going to turn into politics entirely. So they states. Now that I will even know the Busola related to Bayasa. You understand? So so many. So on a serious note, I commend you guys. Say una try. Come up play that house when I did so. If not some of us did that house, so some people come out with that ear. Yes, you understand. But any which way, we'll meet tomorrow for the party.
And one thing is that we don't understand fully what we go through. We feel there as they criticize, but like when I talk, now I don't understand better what I
but we know say some people enjoy
the Busola enjoy ourselves.
I was kiss with Jean, my brother. Yeah, so yummy.
No, but I said me did the house.
That's how my face day.
I said the house. Now one or two people have achieved. For gifting. because they like their color.
You know, for 4 things, man.
All right, thank you very much. We don't come out for studio. Then on the come out, of course, they go our sister session, Lagos Talks, and they go to interview there. But for me and us, we go in and us, we don't come out. They studio with